If you're starting an online store, should you go to Etsy or Shopify? The difference is dramatic. Etsy is a market. The market already have market goers. When you go to Etsy, there are people who go to Etsy to shop, so you can be easily found by the people who go to Etsy. Etsy could charge a lot of people a lot of money, but they choose not to. So you only pay Etsy after you make sales, after you find business. Shopify is very different. Shopify is a website building tool, is a web store building tool. If you go to Shopify and sign up, it's like going to a real estate leasing company and lease an office space. You have to build all your businesses, all the interior decorations, all the customers. It's your job. On Shopify, you start to pay the landlord for rents even before you start to have business. On Etsy, you only pay after you find business to do.